So this is your inner shift cable. It moves that right here when it goes in and out, and moves that down there that I showed you wasn't going all the way. So it wasn't, your inner shift cable wasn't pushing it far enough. There's all your oil, so your upper seal's bad on your drive. But this should move in and out. It's disconnected inside the boat really freely. And that's really tight. So it's your inner shift cable that's bad, that's causing it not to want to shift. All your efforts going into trying to move that thing right there, which goes in and out, which makes that move, which does that, which puts the boat into forward, neutral, and reverse. So we're pulling your inner shift cable. Also, that roller probably needs to be replaced. It's got flat spots on it. About the only thing we didn't know about was all the fluid from your drive that dumped into your bellows.